Yes, hi everyone. Welcome to our today's session. Today we're going to talk about the introduction to machine learning. So we are going to discuss about what is machine learning. So as you can see, when it comes to machine learning, so it's just a part of AI. So it means machine learning, it's just inside like AI. So it's a subset of AI. So ML is a subset of AI. But when it comes to machine learning, this is what we call part of AI, but where computers will do what? Like computers will learn from data, will find patterns, will make predictions or decisions without being explicitly programmed for every rule, right? So when someone is talking about machine learning, we're talking about teaching machine. We are teaching or training. We are training computers, right? So it means we are training machines. Why training? Because we want computers to be smart. So machine learning means a training machine, a training machine to become intelligent, to become intelligent, right? So this is a general definition. Like here, if you want to predict like house price, you can put your input here, so and you can predict the next price, right? So when it comes to machine learning, it's just a subset of AI. It means also we are teaching or training machines to become intelligent, right? Like here, like in machine learning, we can supply some input to the machine, and the machine will produce some outputs, right? So we need to train the machine. The training is happening here too. We are training or teaching machines. We are teaching machines in order for the machine to be smart or intelligent. So this is just the basic or general definition, right? Thank you very much. See you next time.